Hey there! If you're tired of dealing with oily skin, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 5 simple and natural remedies that will help you get rid of excess oil and give you a fresh, matte look. These are super easy to do at home with ingredients you probably already have. Let's get started. Number 1. Aloe Vera Gel. Let's start with aloe vera gel. Aloe is amazing for oily skin because it helps calm and hydrate your skin without adding extra oil. You can use fresh aloe vera gel or buy it from the store. Just apply a thin layer to your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes. After that, rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel cool, refreshed, and stay matte longer. Number 2. Green tea. Next up is green tea. It's not just good for drinking, it's great for your skin too. Green tea has antioxidants that help reduce oil and keep your skin clear. Simply steep a green tea bag in hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes, then let it cool. You can dab the cooled tea directly on your face with a cotton ball or use it as a face mist. It helps balance your skin and fights excess oil. 3. Lemon and honey mask. Now, let's talk about a simple but powerful combo: lemon and honey. Both ingredients are natural astringents, which means they help tighten your skin and control oil. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply it to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Once time's up, rinse with warm water. This will leave your skin feeling fresh, soft, and perfectly matte. Number 4. Cucumber slices. If you want something super easy and cooling, try cucumber slices. Cucumbers are full of water, and they help hydrate your skin while also tightening your pores. Simply cut a cucumber into slices and place them on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. It's a quick and refreshing way to control oil and give your skin a smooth, matte finish. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar toner. Lastly, let's talk about apple cider vinegar ACV. ACV is great for balancing your skin's pH and controlling oil. Mix 1 part ACV with 3 parts water. After mixing, apply it to your face with a cotton pad as a toner. It will help keep your skin matte throughout the day. Plus, it's completely natural and easy to use. And that's it. These 5 simple, natural remedies are perfect for oily skin. Try them out, and let me know which one worked best for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on more skincare tips. I'll see you next time.